Imagine 13 years ago, you were with friends and family members and you were discussing online business, social media marketing, having multiple products, courses, trainings, books, PDFs, selling physical products, online products, courses, programs. Imagine those were the conversations that you can develop a website. You can work on YouTube, on Facebook, on LinkedIn. Imagine those were the conversations 13 years ago with your friends and family members. That you know what, Auntie Susie, you can build business number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can have links. You can earn multiple streams of income. Uncle Jeff, did you know you can start a YouTube channel? You can become a YouTube content creator. You can be an online coach, a professional in your niche. You know what, my buddy Tom, you know what you can do, what you can become online. It's unlimited. Imagine those were the conversations we ought to have 13 years ago with our friends and family members. Think of how they would have thought, right? They would have think bigger, not just working for one salary once a month.